We all desire a skin that looks healthy and attractive, but oftentimes we forget that great skin is not simply a matter of DNA, as your daily habits have a big impact on what you see in the mirror. I believe that skincare should not only involve the products that you use, but also the things that you take in to ensure you're keeping your skin in a healthy condition. So with this in mind, I'm now going to show you 3 healthy recipes that is not just good for your skin and hair, but also for your overall well-being. So if you're watching this, you've done the right thing by clicking on this video. And if you're new here, my name is Tracy, and I reveal top beauty secrets that will help solve your beauty needs and boost your self-confidence. Because over here, we don't pamper flaws, we eliminate it. And I'm here to help you with that elimination process. So without further ado, let's dive into the video. For this recipe, you're going to need 1 dragon fruit, 2 balls of pomegranate, 1 green apple pear, and 1 kiwi fruit. Pomegranate is widely used in Ayurveda to formulate cures for several diseases. The fruit contains hundreds of tiny edible seeds called areoles. The areoles is packed with antioxidants, minerals, fiber, vitamin A, C, and E, and even folic acid. While most people prefer the topical application of vitamin C, it is not a bad idea to incorporate it in one's meal or menu. It is believed that the antioxidants found in pomegranate can help provide you with anti-aging benefits by helping to decrease the incidence of age spots and wrinkles. Also, an overall healthy diet that includes pomegranate can help give you a youthful and glowing skin. Apple pear is not just juicy and sweet. The fibers found in apple pear can prevent skin damage, help you treat oily skin, it can keep wrinkles away. A regular consumption of apple pear can help tame your frizzy hair by eliminating those ugly tangles. Dragon fruit comes packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and nutrients which can be beneficial for overall health and skin-related problems, including the signs of aging, acne, and sunburn. It is said that dragon fruit is amazing for acne-prone skin when applied topically. It also works wonders for your inflamed skin. So why not include it in your daily meal? This is why I have included it in this recipe. Kiwi has been found to provide antioxidant, moisturizing, rejuvenating, as well as skin-soothing properties, and can be found in most cosmetic products, lotions, and creams. Constituents such as vitamin E and vitamin C found in kiwi helps to protect the skin from degeneration. Now that you know the skin benefits, hair benefits, and overall health benefits of these fruits, I'm going to show you the best way to prepare this recipe. You will have to scoop out your dragon fruit with a spoon like so. Extract the areoles from your pomegranate by splitting the pomegranate into 2. You can use a wooden spoon to hit the back side of the pomegranate like so. By doing this, all the areoles in the pomegranate will fall on your plate. Let me know in the comment section if you've got a better idea on how to extract the areoles from your pomegranates. For your kiwi, peel off the back and slice. For your apple pear, cut into smaller chunks. Do not peel off the back of the apple pear, it's healthy. You can blend this fruit mix and enjoy as a smoothie. Or you can have them mixed up in your bowl plate and a fruit salad is ready. You can have this fruit salad as your breakfast or dinner. You can also have it as an in-between snack. It looks so attractive. You need to give this a trial. Alright, For this next recipe, you're going to need some almond milk powder, hot water, low-fat milk, 100% high-fiber bread that is bromide free without any added preservative or sugar. I have chosen this bread because it is high in fiber, it's a healthier option, and it has no added preservatives. You'll have to keep this in mind if you're a lover of bread. You also need mayonnaise. You can use a homemade mayonnaise if you can, and some cheese slices. Next, carrots, either sliced or grated, cucumber, either sliced or grated, and a thinly sliced tomato. This orange hued vegetable is known to have so many benefits for your skin, for your hair, and your overall health. Carrots are packed with vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and other nutrients that can be your shortcut to having a better skin and a healthy body. They are also perfectly safe to eat raw, which makes them easier snacking options than other elaborate skin food recipes. Aside being a rich source of antioxidants, carrots help to treat many skin issues. It helps to soothe dry skin. They help to reduce hair loss and promote hair growth. They improve dental health, aid in weight loss. They give you all that glow. Cucumbers have the ability to reduce swelling and puffiness when used topically. The antioxidant components in cucumbers may make it a potentially helpful anti-wrinkle ingredient. Additionally, cucumbers contain both vitamin C and folic acid. Vitamin C has the ability to stimulate new cell growth, while folic acid aids in fighting off environmental toxins that can make your skin look tired and prematurely aged. Combined, these components may help your skin look firmer and healthier, as water alone isn't enough to moisturize your skin. According to Headline.com, tomatoes aren't a substitute for sunscreen. However, the lycopene found in the fruit may have a photoprotective effect. Eating tomatoes may offer some protection from UV light-induced sunburn. This is not to say you can excessively take in tomatoes. Moderation is key. B vitamins are essential to skin health. There is, however, no shortage of these vitamins in tomatoes. Tomatoes have vitamin B1, B3, B5, B6, and B9. All these vitamins have anti-aging properties that may help reduce age spots, fine lines, and wrinkles. B vitamins also contribute to cell repair. They may reduce hyperpigmentation and sun damage. Eating tomatoes can help your body get more of these vitamins, which may benefit your skin. However, moderation is key. Now here is how to prepare this recipe. Take out 2 bread slices and place them side by side. Spread your homemade mayonnaise on one of the bread slices. Place a slice of cheese on the other bread slice, like so. Now place few slices of tomatoes on the slice of bread having mayonnaise on it. Add your cucumber. Don't forget your carrots. Now top with the other bread slice having cheese on it, and your healthy sandwich is ready. You can have this with your favorite smoothie or any other healthy beverage like the one I'm going to show you now. I'll be adding my almond milk powder in a cup. I'll add my low-fat milk, then add hot water and stir. Now grab your favorite beverage and enjoy with this healthy recipe. You might want to toast your bread if you want a crunchy sandwich. I have skipped this step because I prefer having mine this way. This can be a quick breakfast recipe for you. It's healthy and easy to prepare. I can't wait to have a bite. Yummy. You need to give this a trial. For this recipe, you're going to need 3 ingredients. You need a cucumber, you need some carrots, and you need a peanut butter or an almond butter. I prefer using peanut butter, but if you're allergic to peanuts, you might want to try out almond butter as a substitute for peanut butter. Also, a homemade mayonnaise isn't a bad idea. Now all you have to do is wash your cucumber and carrots, slice or chop them into tiny chunks like this. Add your peanut butter or your almond butter. You can add some nuts for more crunch. Mix together and voila, your food is ready. Let's have a taste. It's yummy. You need to try this out. The ingredients used in each of these recipes are packed with antioxidants and vitamins that is very good for your skin and your overall health. Give this video a like if you found it beneficial. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already and hit on that notification bell so you'll be the first to get notified each time I upload a new video. Click to watch my next video.